bay leaf, woody, slightly bitter, and dry. Is it correct? Garlic powder. Strong, savory, and a bit sulfuric. Is it correct? Star anise. Sweet, licorice, like spicy. Correct pa? Okay. Grabe. Isa pa. Grabe. Turmeric ground. Earthy, warm, and slightly bitter. Correct ba? Oregano. Herbal, minty, slightly bitter. Correct ba? Curry powder. Spicy, spicy complex, mixed aroma is slightly sweet. Tama ba? Paprika. Smoky, sweet, and mildly spicy. Tama ba? Ginger. Sharp, warms, at saka citrusy, and pwede rin siyang spicy. Tama? What's that? Uy! Chili powder. Hot. And strong chili cake. And tama ba? Ano? Ulit yan. Lemongrass. Fresh at saka citrusy. Medyo grassy din siya. Tama ba? Tama